Hello everyone, QFC here, and I'm back with another fan. Now I've had this fan for a minute. I just never tested it or hung it, but this fan had some problems. It had a bad capacitor. When I tried to replace the capacitor, it didn't have the right hardware in it, so I just replaced all the wiring inside. This fan also came with that 5 light and with some tulip shades, so those aren't the original shades, but that's the original globe. I'm gonna demonstrate the light now. Let's start it up on low. I have a white version of this fan. These are really nice hugger fans. You know, I might not keep those shades on there, but sorry about my voice today. It's just been a really hard day. So low speed is like really fast. Demonstrate the light kit again. Turn on medium. You know, it's a really nice fan, but I honestly like the white one better because, you know, it just, I don't know, I just like it better. These do blow a good amount of air for what they are. This fan looks like feels like it's made out of cheap material, so I'm surprised they even blow this much air and go this fast. This is from 1993. Let me shoot the light. It's really bright. It's 5 light bulbs, what do I expect? Let's go to high speed. This fan does have a bearing problem, makes bearing noises, and the other one has a long spin down and this one doesn't. The other one has like an extremely long spin down, and this one also wobbles. As you can see, the reverse switch is white because I said I replaced all the wiring inside so I can get a new capacitor in it. So like the wiring from the inside is from the CXL. It wobbles a lot, but it does push the air around. I also had a problem with it when I was getting it installed. It was stuck on low speed. All the speeds were low speed. And I just wired the capacitor wrong. So I switched 2 wires around and boom, it works like a champ now. Listen to the airflow.